Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and I'm Reed and this is Reed's Beauty Trip. This is my Ipsy unboxing and I have my two Ipsys that I get in. Yeah, I only get two. I had to think for a minute. I was like, this is only two. So we're going to start with the smallest one, the original Ipsy, and then I have Ipsy Plus. I don't get the premium. I have friends that get it and it never like rocked my world. Ooh, the bag feels interesting. So anyway, let's pull it out of the bag. First one is a new Luxie highlighting brush. That's what I would use it for, is highlighting. So we're doing that, which I have one that I'm really addicted to of highlighting brushes, so not sure what I will do with that. The bag, it's a studded bag. Kind of like the studded. We're doing the studded thing. Okay. These are some nice size products in here. Giveaways for days. March 25th, choose a product. So if you're an Ipsy person, you can go on March 25th and choose a product. Party on. Our 100th Glam Bag celebration is still going strong. So we have the stuff. So it's the Luxie Periwinkle Pro Precision Tapered Brush. It's for bold blushes and highlighters. I probably would use it more for a highlighter than my blush. So, and now I'm dropping stuff. Okay. Had a small waterfall of things. So the first thing I have is the Polar. It's basically night. Looks like night. Yeah, Polar Night Relaxing Cream. And this one is it's French. Polar. What does it say about Polar? Proof that not every night cream has that feel of thick and heavy. The ultra potent yet totally lightweight overnight cream soaks in fast but packs major moisturizing and skin smoothing results thanks to boreal algae, which encourages cell regeneration while you sleep. Don't forget your neck. Keep your soft and subtle by slathering this on before bed. So with this full-size product is $48.76. Very, maybe because it's from francs or euros to US dollars, I'm assuming that's what that is. Okay, the next one is the Tarte Beauty, this cute little eyeshadow in Blossom. Let's take it out of its happy little bag. Pop it a pop it a pop it a pop. The pups are beside me. If you've been watching me long enough, you know the pups are always nearby. So, it's taped really well. So let's pull it along the seam. Okay. And it's sealed. So I got in Blossom. It's probably a nice pinky nude. Everybody gets problems about my single shadows. We now have more. I like the surprise of when I open it with you. Ooh, and it has a metal. It has that little, not metal, magnet thing. So here is Blossom. It's like a gold pinky shimmer. Okay, so I have swatches from my project pan, but that would have worked really well with what I'm wearing today. Too late. Too late. So that one, full size, is $25. I have been looking at some of the Wander. I know we always get Wander Beauty in a lot of our stuff, but I have been looking at it because I've been really fascinating. Okay, this doesn't really pertain to me. Blackheads, we've sent them packing. This is the Caroline Blackhead O2 Bubble Pore Pack. This will probably be going into my giveaway. It's the Bubble Pore Pack Pore Ritual O2 Bubbles. Itty bitty print. What are we out of? Oh, we're out of the US, it looks like. Made in, oh, no, it's K-Beauty. It's made out of Korea. Makes my nose run just thinking about it. So, okay. So the girls don't swipe it. The next one we have is the Tarte Sequent Hydrating Primer. Now, I am excited about this one. To try this and stuff. I always like hydrating primers because I have dry skin and I live in a dry climate. So that one I'm excited about. Full size, that one runs $32. I love primers, but I don't know if I can justify $32 for a primer. Then my big boy. This is not a sample size. And this is the bronzer in Americana. I feel like this is a very travel bag. We got America, we got K-Beauty, we got French. You know, so look at this bronzer. This boy's a big boy. It's got a little shimmer to it. I like mine a little bit more matte. But it's very light. It's just perfect for my skin tone, which I'm a pasty girl. So I am excited about that. Okay, so that's the original bag. I don't think that was too bad. I'm really kind of liking it. Now I have the hiccups. I really am liking the original bag. I mean, so let's see if Plus holds up. So we're doing the next step up. Opening the box. I just like the orange foam in it too. Okay, celebrate. We're still sticking with that. Okay. Let's start with the bag that looks like an envelope. It says Unstoppable. I'm loving this. Okay, I'm liking the bags this time. I do. It's just cute. So, 100% Ipsy Glam Bag. That's what this one says. This one just says Ipsy. Too bad it's not reversible. Anyway, those are cool. Unstoppable. Something to play with. Okay. First one. This will be interesting. This is the coffee scrub. So the original coffee scrub. This is out of LA. It's made in China. Which I think is redundant that as many people drink coffee here. You know, it says Los Angeles, but it is made in the Republic of China. I'm not impressed with that part because of what it is. It's original, it's organic. It should be made locally. I'm sorry. That's my attitude on that. This is coconut, which I have to watch. This is only something I could use, as bad as it sounds, on my days off because I work with clients with coconut sensitivities and stuff. But I love the smell of coffee. So it's like scrub selfie post. Okay, 1 or 2 scrubs per week. Turn on the shower, dampen your skin. Use 2 small handfuls to cover. Oh, this is a body scrub. Oh, good. Well, that might be different. Okay, then we have. Ooh, I like the shape of this. Complex Culture Precision Concealer Brush. Okay, I've messed with brushes for years. Look at this guy. I just like the shape of it. But I guess, okay, we're gonna try this puppy. This will be on my list to play with. Let's see about this guy. This isn't your standard fluffy concealer brush. No, it's not. Densely packed bristles for full coverage finish and angled tip for ultra precise, even application. So this is Complex Culture. Retails $26, but I'm fascinated. It has my attention. That I want to play with, definitely. Okay, Luna Liner by Seraphine. I think I just got something from, I don't know, Seraphine. Okay, so this one is water resistant liquid eyeliner that doesn't want to come out of the bag. I think it's eyeliner month. So I got one in my glossy box too. That cat's eye. Oh, this one's sealed. Okay, water resistant liquid eyeliner. Let's see, and it's botanical. Lunar liner, water resistance. Cat eye gold coming right up. This liner has a micro tip that dispenses the perfect amount of jet black pigment. $18 retail. Not bad. I keep wanting to set it, and then I'm like, I'll knock that puppy down like no other. Okay, revitalizing. I just finished my scrub from this. So this is funny. So this is an eye gel, which I'm in the middle of finishing up. An eye gel. Okay. Oh, I think it's like a Dr. brand. So that's this is made, and yes, I do check where it's made since that seems to be huge. People are being really hypersensitive about that right now. This is a UK, so it's made in the US. Yay you! That's wonderful. We'll have to do more research on it, but according to the container, according to the package, US made. Do we need that right now? Yes. Okay. And that one, the eye gel goes for about $42. Your delicate eye areas first to show signs of aging. Can you see this? Can you see this? I need my other eye gel, but I'm trying to use up all this other that doesn't work as well. Now we're doing Phase Zero makeup. This is a matte liquid lipstick in undercover. Phase Zero. Pretty black box. Very trendy. Reminds me of black with a Q. So this looks like NYX. So looks like my lips I got on. Anyway, yeah. I'm not going to open it because I haven't decided if I'm going to keep it or put it in a giveaway. This one I'm excited about because I love the balm. I have a lot of balm products. I buy the balm. I am all about this. This little guy is so cute. It's like a little license plate. Auto Balm. Pick Perf. Shadows on the Go. So the color, the one is called Auto. Start with the neutral primer. So this is kind of, oh, I like it. Look at that. Those are some fun colors to play with. So it's kind of like the pop of pink and the pop of turquoise, which I know a lot of people don't like, but you can have fun with this. The primer almost looks like is that a gel? Pop out the insert. Oh, after you use it, you pop out the insert. Okay. Oh, it is. It's kind of a, it's not a powder. I was leaning over. I'm so sorry. But I was like, but yeah, it's cute. I'm definitely kind of St. Charles. I feel like that's Pennsylvania. Okay, Yuki-in. Pennsylvania Avenue. That means something, and it's a whole. You are fine. Stop. So anyway, loving this palette. Very cool. Let's put all this stuff in there. That is a tube. So either way of them, I like both of them. I like that the Wonder eyeshadow came out. I like the little mini palette. I'm fascinated by this brush. Very fascinated by this brush. Which, oops, don't put that in there. So that's a good thing. This, so far, the only thing that was really kind of, well, there's a couple. This one, and then the blackhead scrub thing, bubble thing. It doesn't pertain to me, but I love the Tarte primer that I got in. I love the balm. I love the Wander eyeshadow, so I'm excited about those. Those are like my, I'm really liking this little palette. It's just cute. So definitely, it's like Shadows on the Go, which it is. It's a cute little, and it's got the neutral colors. It's got like, you know, like I said, the shimmers up top, and then it's got the two mattes and then that primer. So it has potential. Colors that I wear, yes. Hello. 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 And the lipstick would go great with this. So, potential, Yes. Am I happy with it? Yes. Fun stuff to play. Like I said, I don't understand why they had this made where they have it made. To me, this is something that they could make stateside. So that's my opinion. It's not, you know, everybody else's thoughts, but that is my opinion on it. I don't know why it's being made in China. That's silly. It's just ridiculous. But anyway, I love my Ipsy. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.